Tactics Toolkit is an all-in-one template for strategic RPG games. Split into 7 different scenes, this asset pack will show you all of the parts that make up an SRPG level. Pathfinding, RPG systems, effect tiles, tone-based mechanics, basic attacks, abilities, and enemy AI. And there is a final scene that uses all of these systems in one. But if you want to know what you're getting before you buy, check out all of the test scenes on itch.io or the free Tactics Toolkit Pathfinding asset pack. All are linked below.